Hi guys, welcome back to my blog, I'm Architect Studio, and today I would like to invite you to join me explore and visit Davao Park District, a Lanang business development located at the northern part of suburb Davao. But before that, before mo makalimutan, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. Davao Park District is Megaworld's first township development in Davao and in Mindanao, located just behind SM Lanang Premier. Davao Park District is located along SP Dakudao Loop, formerly the Lanang Golf and Country Club. The 11 hectares Davao Park District is shaping to be Davao's newest central business district and a major center for information technology and business processing outsourcing IT-BPO in Mindanao. So tara, ikutin natin ang Davao Park District here in Lanang, Davao City.
Don't leave me, I feel it partially done. No ending, keep me walk to no countdown. Do it, I'm in the tempo. Do it, I'm in the tempo.
We are now approaching SM Lanang Premier, the first SM to be called Premier and the second largest SM in Mindanao.
Calling me, passing me, to that sky, all of it is destiny. So that they might have to mount a one great race. 하나를 하지만 되면 that's okay. You don't gotta worry about a thing, nah, not a thing. 건도와 오래가 오그는 밤, 가나다 스쳐도 carry your thoughts. 바뀌긴 모두 새로운 나라 되나오 새로운 오니. 가격도 헷갈리 너와 이단이 일으키니 와 내가 Don't leave me, I believe take all the bus. No ending, 기미가 묻고도 기분. Do it, I'm in the tempo. Do it, I'm in the tempo. 내 온통 지치니까
Park Inn is a hotel which is composed of 202 rooms conveniently located right beside SM Lanang Premier Shopping Complex and SMX Convention Center.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번
The blue glass building in our right side is Davao Financial Center.
내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며
And in our left side is One Lakeshore, developed by Megaworld, a condominium complex located at the back of SM Lanang.
Going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴
And just beside Davao Financial Center is the Davao Clock Tower, the newest landmark in Davao City.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going
On our left side is the rear portion of Park Inn Hotel, just in front of One Lakeshore, developed by Megaworld.
내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm going crazy
We are now approaching Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital Incorporated, a new state-of-the-art hospital located at Lanang, Davao City.
I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루 Hey girl, you're my sunshine Hey girl, 처음 본 순간 느낌 떨림을 Everyday 보고 싶어 Everyday 항상 그 자리에 난 너를 기다려 뭐라고 말을 걸어볼까 Right now 너라고 내가 기다리던 girl Oh, I can't let it
On our right side is Lane Residences by SMDC, a mid-rise condominium tower development in Lanang, Davao City.
난 많이 하루 종일 널 생각하니 yeah, 네 맘을 보여줘 Show me what you got
가슴을 떨어지지 마
Show me what you got
눈빛으로 말고
Show me what you got
Show me what you got 내 맘과 같다고 Show me what you got 내 맘 다 안다고
Hello 그 짧은 인사 Good night 그 짧은 인사에 왜 설레는 걸까 나만 그런가 Everyday 보고 싶어 Everyday 항상 그 자리에 난 너를 기다려 뭐라고 말을 걸어볼까 Right now 너라고 내가 기다리던 girl Oh, I can't let it go
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Haraya. Congrats, Gerald.